Hello traders, today is the 21st of June 2011, and happy trading to you all. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTWSYS 08 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-magdi.com. The title of this video is Currency Manipulation. Okay, I hope you like that title, manipulation of a currency pair. We are looking at the Euro USD. As I told you before, if you receive a signal to buy the Euro USD, do not worry. But when you are about to sell the Euro currency, you must enter the trade like a professional trader. Okay. You cannot afford to get your sell signal wrong when you are selling the Euro USD currency pair, because this currency pair is highly manipulated currency pair. Since let's say beginning of this year, we have seen a huge manipulation taking place in the Euro USD currency pair. Why? What is happening is that due to the sovereign debt of Greece, okay, you know that Greece is part of the Eurozone, Portugal also part of the Eurozone, Ireland part of the Eurozone, okay. This country has been bailed out, okay. Now there is a high probability or a high chance that this country may default on their debts. Ladies and gentlemen, what we are trying to say here is that this country cannot afford to pay their bondholders. Who are the bondholders of this company? The banks. Ladies and gentlemen, the banks owns the bonds of this country. Okay? If this country defaults on their debts, the bank will be in a mess. The financial crisis will start again. So we cannot afford to allow the euro to go down, putting more bearish pressure on the financial stock. Therefore, the euro should continue to go up, no stop going up. This is about a pure market manipulation. Is it legal? Is it illegal? It's perfectly legal. How? The reason is that people has to protect their interests, and the bank has to protect their interests, and they are doing that right here in front of us. Every bullish signal regarding the Euro USD currency pair, a currency pair that is highly manipulated since the beginning of the year 2011 due to the sovereign debt of some of the Eurozone country, the bank has to support the euro. The destiny of the banks is directly connected to the survival of the euro currency. That's why there is a high manipulation of this gorgeous currency pair. As I told you before, there is no need to worry about it, but to take advantage of this manipulation of the Euro USD to the upside. The banks want the euro to continue to go up, ladies and gentlemen. Every bullish signal, a valid bull signal, rejoice. As you can see, since 11 a.m. London time, this currency pair was just going up. Anybody who placed their money here will see their money, okay, going up big time. This is about pure market manipulation. You have to understand what's going on, ladies and gentlemen. The fundamental part of trading, the euro is there are 27 members of the eurozone, okay, and right now there is one major player. As I told you in many of my videos, you may find some of this discussion a bit boring, but if you are trading, do not attempt to forget that you are part of it, okay? Do not try to disregard this important subject. The financial crisis that has caused the meltdown of the stock market is not completely finished, okay? Now it's like something has happened and people forget about it, but the consequence or the effect of the cause is still there, okay? It doesn't disappear. That financial crisis is not completely gone. That's the truth, okay? Things start improving a bit, but there are other what we call the last repercussion. That's why we say to you that the double bottom pattern on the weekly chart is a magic pattern. Okay, when we see a double bottom pattern on a weekly chart, or when we see a double top pattern on a weekly chart, we pay attention, because the market will always retest an important level. This is what we call the validation of support and resistance level. In fact, the validation, okay, of support and resistance level is the key to successful trading, ladies and gentlemen. The market went up on one leg, so to speak, ran from the March 2009 all the way to this point in time. But what I'm talking about here, this is about a common sense trading, opening your eyes, okay? Do not pay too much attention to the blah 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 blah, okay? But just focus on the most important thing in the market. That's how myself I go. What is the most important thing? What is happening? The truth of the matter is that Greece is in a mess, Portugal is in a mess, okay? Ireland is in a mess, Italy will be in a mess. Do not forget, Japan went into recession, Italy will go into recession, United States went into a recession, Italy will go into recession, Great Britain went into recession, Italy will go into recession, France will go into recession, Germany is the country that is propelling the Eurozone to the upside, and Germany is having a bit of a hard time right now. Why? Because Germany has to finance those countries that are struggling, okay? Now this country cannot afford to pay their debt, okay? Coming back to Germany for more money, okay? So when this is going to end, okay? More money, more bailout. The second time Greece will be bailout. Anytime money is coming out of somewhere, the money is coming out of Germany, okay? So somebody has to pay for it. It's never free. Ladies and gentlemen, it's never free. All this money that they have been paying, United Kingdom also was paying some money, France was helping. All this money, any money that went out to pay somebody else, somebody has to pay for it. The taxpayers, we have to pay for it. The taxpayer has to pay for it. Okay, right now in London, people are paying more tax than before, and different rules, increasing VAT, and the same scenario in the United States, and it's getting a bit messy right now. And people are telling us that Germany economy is doing very well. Yes, it's doing very well because of China. Germany is exporting a lot of goods, but right now the economy in China is slowing down, which means when we are talking about the slowdown of China, we are talking about the slowdown of Germany. Now, Germany has been very generous supporting those crazy economy that has been spending, because what the politicians were doing before, when they were trying to sell the euro to the population, they want people to be happy, okay? So they say free money, okay? Free money. So Greece went into a wild party, okay? And other countries also were overspending, so to speak, and they were spending free money, okay? So but the party is over because the politician, they try to sell the euro, so they have to, if you want to sell something to somebody, you want to attract somebody to you, you can invite a person for a party or for a dinner, and so there was a big celebration for the introduction of the euro, but it wasn't at easy cost. It cost a lot. Now the consequence of this introduction of the euro is coming back home, so to speak, and it's a very serious matter, and a lot of traders get into this kind of following the crowds. But in trading, ladies and gentlemen, it's common sense. Please use common sense, because more than 80% of traders are losing. If the majority of traders, okay, are right in their decision, we won't have more than 80% of traders losing consistently and abundantly and generously. So if you want to enjoy your trade, okay, you need to use a lot of common sense, which means do not follow the crowd. You see, when the price is going up, what people are doing, people will buy, okay? They will just buy. Why they buy? Because the price is going up. Okay, people will buy. They don't think of the fair value, which we call some of the fair value we use is the smart media line. They don't think of it. They don't think about the deviation of the price in relation to the fair value. People don't know how to quantify when the market is overbought, and because it's going up, the market is going up. Okay, the majority of ordinary investors will keep pumping money into it. Recent event in trading silver, okay, the silver was going up for some time, and people were buying up to the level of the last people who bought it at $50, and when the price hit $50, everybody knew the projection of the channel was clear cut $50. Price went down big time. Is now in the region of 35, a huge drop. But ladies and gentlemen, this is not to poke fun on other traders. These are serious matters. That's why we are busy, okay? Trying our best to let people, as we always say, do not blink. Keep your eyes wide open, because the price does not hide anything. That's very good, okay? And also, your eyes will not fool you if you keep your eyes wide open. Very important in trading. Your eyes is your number one tool that you must use all the time. What is happening right now for the Euro USD, as I'm telling you now, all the major banks, okay, have purchased the bonds in Greece. Majority of the European banks, especially in France, they have purchased a lot of bonds in Greece, in Portugal, okay, and all these islands. Now, if what we are talking about, the default, which means a sovereign country failing to meet, okay, their financial commitment at the end of the day, the bank will lose. Bank losing again means a secondary, okay, a financial crisis. What does it mean to the bank? Their share value will go down. A huge sellout. The bank does not want that. The bank cannot even afford that. And the social consequence is huge, ladies and gentlemen. That's why the euro must go up, whatever is happening. But common sense, like I said to you, common sense is the key in this life. Life is a common sense. Whatever people are saying and whatever is happening, whatever is your decision or whatever you think of what I'm saying here, whether you think I'm mad or crazy, but what I want to leave you with is that whatever you are doing, use common sense, a simple common sense. When there is a problem, okay, what do? All you need to do is to locate the root of the problem, the source of the problem. There is a difference between fixing a problem and solving a problem. When you solve a problem, it's solved. But when you fix a problem, you just fix it. Okay? The next day, the problem is still there, but because you fix it. There's a difference between fixing a problem and solving a problem. Right now, what is happening, the politicians need to be re-elected. Okay? How do they do that? They have to create this image that everything that they are doing is perfectly okay. And people have to re-elect them again. I mean, that's what I'm talking about. It's legal. People have to defend their interests. That's why we say to you also, 5% of your trading account. Protect your trading account. The first priority of a trader is to protect their trading account. So, you also must protect your trading capital. Do not fall into the trap. Very important. When you are buying the euro, yes, it will go up. What do we see now? Enough of my blah blah blah. Looking at the 10-minute chart, ladies and gentlemen, what do we see? You can see clearly here the price went up. That's today's 21st. As you can see, just before midnight London time, we see this movement very fast. Phew, up. You see, this is just a clear-cut sell signal here, because you see the price does not move this way. This is what I'm talking. The language of the price. See, tall candle with a antenna on the top. You see, another tall candle with antenna on the top. People were selling. The second one here just telling you we are selling. You see, people sold it. Look what's happened. Down very fast. This is just blah blah blah. You see all this movement from here, the beginning of this red horizontal line, up to this level here, kaput, down. Okay, don't just use your eyes. Okay, this is just using our eyes to understand what's going on here. price stagger manages to get to the same level where it was before, people sold it again. So something is happening. I don't need the tape to tell me where are the sellers. The price tell me, the tail here, you see, the antenna here tell me the same zone. So something has happened here before. That's what we told you before. Something has happened. It's happening again here. We take advantage of it. People sold it again. They bought it here. People do exactly the same thing. Something has happened before. This is what we have taught you before, you see. So now what do we see? Look at this candle here. Look this section here, from here all the way up here. Pay attention only to the green candles. From here, I'm going to draw a vertical line. This is a serial. So whatever you are trading, if you are trading stock, you will know if the stock is manipulated or not. Whatever you are trading. But as I told you, there's no need to worry about it. You can take advantage of the manipulation and know where the manipulation is going. The manipulation in the euro is going up. That's what I'm saying to you. Okay, so you know it now. Okay, so look at it. Pay attention only to the green candle. Okay, look at this one. Very tall, isn't it? Yeah, very tall. Look at this one now. Again, very tall. Okay, look at this one also. Very tall. And this one also tall. And this one also tall. And this one also tall. And every time we have a tall candle, is followed by red. Okay, people are selling each red. This one, okay, except this one. Okay, all the tall candles were made by sell. The tall candle made by sell. You see, because the smart money, those who are smart traders knew something's wrong here. They are selling each time they see the tall candle here. They slow it down. Tall candle, they sell. This one, tall candle, they sell. This one, when another one just happened now. Down. Yeah? All the way down. Look at these two candles, this green one here. Up here, plus this one. Yeah? If we highlight only those two candles, these two last two here, I will draw a horizontal line there. And this one here, we highlight them. Look how much people sold already from it. Okay, this is because the market specialists, those who read the chart like a book, understood the language of the price, that there is a market manipulation taking place in this currency pair. And these are people, the market specialists, they are excellent day traders, and they are trimming it down each time. They see this just like a signal to sell. Tall candle for them is like a signal to sell, and they are doing it consistently. You see, tall candle, they sell it down. Tall candle, they sell it down. You see here, after this tall candle, again another, I will remove my previous one for you. So as I told you, we do not need the tape to know what is happening. Just understanding the language of the price. The price does not hide anything. It's a stable data in the market, and we know why. Because the bank has to defend the euro at all costs. So do not expect the euro to go down. At least before the euro can go down, all the sovereign debt situation must be resolved by the Germany and the Europeans members, by all means, before this currency pair will go down. Because the euro going down is a better signal to sell all the financial shares, and the banks are not prepared to allow, okay, their asset being sold. Now you can understand, if you work hard, you have a business, you can't allow people to come and sell, okay, your assets or anyhow. We understand perfectly, but how do we solve the problem? Is going to the root of the problem. The roots of the problem is that too many members in the Eurozone, and each individual country have their own financial, economical reality. And the economical reality of Germany is not the same like Lithuania, and it's not the same like Greece, and it's not the same like Portugal. But they are all using the euro, and they want to have the same standard of life. The euro has to be redesigned, which means reducing the numbers of membership, okay, down to 10. Try to rebuild the euro or redefine the eurozone in one way or another, okay. Like I said to you before, bringing the euro USD, the euro currency, bringing the euro currency to its fair value, and rebuilding anything. If you are building a house, okay, and then you realize somewhere after you reach the top, you're going to place the roof, and you realize that you made a mistake on the foundation. Do you carry on building? No. You go back to the foundation. This is the situation for the euro currency. The foundation of this currency has a bit of difficulty. I do not believe that the euro will collapse as some traders believe. I do not believe that the euro will go to zero. I do not believe that the euro is useless. The euro is a very important currency, and it's very important for the eurozone and also regarding the social issue. But what we are saying that put the politics to the side, let the competent people deal with the matter, which means do not fix the problem, solve the problem. Looking at the monthly chart, what do we have here? The smart median line for the euro USD is this thick horizontal line here in the zone of 13957. The euro should go to this level, even go a bit below it. That would be perfect for the euro to remain there. As you can see, like I show you, we have a stochastic euro. You see, euro USD. You see, that's the pattern of the euro. This is what we call the vanity cycle. It's not going anywhere. It's just going up and down. And people are selling each time the euro is in the zone of 15000. We need to turn the euro a bit upside. Turn it to go up so we have the channel rising. Right now the channel that we have is horizontal. It's not going anywhere. It needs to start. We need to have a new channel, a channel that's looking up, which means going to the root of the problem and fixing the root of the problem. Like I said to you before, if there is a problem, you need to open the books, expose the problem. That's the right way to do it. Expose it. There is a financial mess. Let's clean it up. Don't hide it. Don't cover it. Do it properly. Clean it. Just bring it out and say, this is it. Everybody sell. Now, no financial instrument will go to zero. Return to the fair value. Return to the mean. Return to the fair value. Smart money come in and buy again. Put your house in order and then everybody goes again. What do we see on the 4-hour chart regarding the euro USD? Talking about a currency a manipulation, hot dose. Hot dose currency manipulation. I will show you before we go to the 4-hour chart. We go to the daily chart regarding the euro USD. Is going up, ladies and gentlemen. It's going up. We have seen recently some activity in the euro USD. Looking at the daily chart. Now some of the traders trading here, I mean, I don't know whether they are politicians themselves or but there are things that we need to talk about here as traders, looking at this gorgeous euro USD. In fact, I enjoy trading the euro USD until recently. We see a lot of manipulation, so we can only trade the euro in one direction, which means only buying the euro, which make it a bit too boring for me, because it doesn't make any sense for me. Now look at this. The channel is rising here. You see, this is what this is the uptrend here. We're going up. And now what's happened to the euro? Look carefully, ladies and gentlemen. This is not to lie or to say anything. The channel is rising. It's clear. Price drop below the channel. A weakness in a momentum. Price return. Try to retest the channel. Couldn't even touch it. Went down. Look what the price is doing. Each time the price break the channel here, you retest it here, you went down. You come up, look at the red horizontal line, that level there. You see the red horizontal line there. You see the kind of red one here. These are tough resistance level. You see the small red hammer here. These are tough resistance. Price came back. Retest that level here, went down, break through it, went up. Next level. You see this consolidation zone here on the daily chart for the euro. These are a resistance zone also. Price try to come near that level. You see here, couldn't touch this level, went down again. But before that, here, this level here, you see this level. You want to place my red horizontal line. You see what it is, the red horizontal line. You see this is a consolidation, like I told you. Yeah, the price came again. When the price break it below it again, retest it each time. The price is trying to retest each level, that the support level that is broken. The price retesting them here. It break below it, retest it, went down. Here, it went below it, retest it, went down. Went above it, come back down. Yeah, break a support level, is retesting every level. Now, this is a smart trader working here. If you see the price doing this, you need to trade carefully. Here again, you see this level here, where I place my red horizontal line. retest it, it went down. Price is coming back again to retest the same level. Why? I tell you why. Because of the, you see the shadow on top of this daily candle here, the top one. I hope you can see it. That's because of that. Yeah, there's a shadow here. I hope with our recording you can see that shadow also is on top of this candle here, because the smart money is concerned. They want to retest it again, that level of 14447, 14447, which is again these consolidation zone here. Okay, so everything is looking kaput to the downside. If we project our channel, ladies and gentlemen, doing our projection as we always do, we have something like this. Okay, you see now. So price can break the first channel projection, come and retest it, try to go here, couldn't even touch it, come back down, went below it. Now we are at the edge or the lower part of our second channel. In this scenario, I will do my third projection ready and observe the price, because in my view the price is walking like a crab. You see, a crusher combo. Do you like crusher combo? Yes. Now if you like crusher combo, remember how the crab is working. That's what's happening here. You see, this is what's happening here. We are in another channel. Like I told you before, the price is always in a channel. Either the channel is rising, or the channel is horizontal, or the channel is going down. That's what's happening here. We are getting in another channel here. You see the ping pong, up, down, up, down. You see, we are the edge right here. There is a market manipulation, and this is what we explain to you, because the banks, the survival of the bank or the future of the banks depend on the Euro USD. The Euro currency, especially the Euro currency, must go up. In my view, this is the time to sell the Euro. Okay, but like I told you, there is a market manipulation taking place. So when you are about to sell the Euro, be very, very smart and trade like a pro. If you look on this 4-hour chart, this trend line here, if we draw a trend line here, is kaput. Try to come down, try to retest it, couldn't even touch it. You see, try desperately to touch it, only to come to this where I place my right horizontal line on the 4-hour chart. You retest this resistance, couldn't touch the trend line here, down it went. Okay, price all the time testing and retesting. This level here is kaput. Where I place my right horizontal line, I can draw horizontal there for you. Kaput is a German word for broken, okay, or spoiled. Okay, went down, come back again, retest. That's what the price means. If you see the price retesting, know that the smart money is here. The smart traders are in this a financial instrument. That's how you know. Okay, now price went down. Okay, it went down. Which level? You break this one here, going to draw another horizontal line. This one, you see this zone here, it's a support level. You see the top candle here, this two candle, there's a support level. You break it, went down. What the price did, it turned around and come back again and retest the same level. Where is the price going? Down again. When you see, break this one here, this one, I will do two lines here for you. Okay, so you understand? So now the price went down, come back again and retest the same zone. Where is it going? It went down. Now it break above it. Where are we now? We are here. Watch this zone where I'm placing my cursor. That's where we are now. Another resistance zone. Yeah, this one here where I place my right horizontal line. Watch this candle here. Another small consolidation session here. That's where we are. Looking again, going to the yearly chart, ladies and gentlemen. Pay attention. Trading is a common sense. Okay, common sense. That's why we are telling traders, look at the price first before looking at the indicator. Do not trade only the the technical. Pay attention to the fundamental and watch the politicians. What do we have here? The smart media line for the Euro USD is at 139.57. Not only that, last Friday the price was near a critical price level at 143.08. There was a rejection of the price in that zone. But look what's happening today. Today, the price started going up since 11 a.m. London time and did not stop till now. Why are we doing this video now? This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. And it's primarily for the TSTW24, TSTWSY08, and TSTWSY008 traders. Our aim is to open the eyes of traders so they can start looking at the price itself, the number one indicator, without being fooled by anyone. Looking at this 10-minute chart is clear that there is a market manipulation. The price came to this level here. Watch carefully here, which is another round number. People are trading all sorts of things. People are buying at a round number for the pleasure because it's a round number. People will buy or sell because it's a round number. No, it's not the way you trade. You watch the price reaction there, and if you receive a valid signal at the round number, that's why you do it. But people are placing orders here. This is about manipulation in the market because a lot of computers are in the market, and these computers they program them to buy or sell at certain levels. And individual traders also try to follow the computers. No, human beings are superior to computers. It's a human being that are controlling the computers. Using the common sense, okay, smart traders will beat, okay, the computers. I repeat again, using common sense, smart traders will beat all the algorithms. They will beat all the computerized trading system out there. Believe me, just using a common sense, because human beings are more important than machines. Okay, so do not try to follow the machine. Be yourself and use common sense. This is about the manipulation of a currency, the Euro USD. I hope you enjoy this blah blah blah. Okay, that you will put this blah 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 into practice in order to cream the market consistently. Thank you for watching, and we will speak to you very soon. We are the TSTWSYS 08 traders.